You walk into a sushi restaurant, and what does it mean?
It was one of the best car washes in the nation, and at 3 minutes a wash, they say they can't be beat.
Taryn Winterbrill is at the Splash and Dash in Natomas, where she plans to put the car wash to the test.
Yeah, hey, good morning, everybody. That's right. Modern Car Care magazine, just this past August, they came out with the top 50 car washes in the nation, and Splash and Dash, where we are live in Natomas, they made the cut. And the greatest part is they've only been around for 2 years. You can imagine, only been around 2 years, you're one of the best in the nation. A couple reasons for that. Take a look at this guarantee. Clean car guarantee. If you were ever not 100% satisfied, come right back for a free wash on us. Also, like you said, 3 to 5 minutes, $5.99. $5.99 for a 5-minute car wash. I thought I'd put them to the test, and in a second we're going to jump in the car. We're actually going to go through the car wash, but first, let's get my car a little dirty. What do you guys think? It's a little...
Okay.
All right.
It's a little, I don't know if you can see this, but we've added some dirt here and on top.
Jeez.
And we're going to show you.
What do you do in your car?
Yeah, that looks like one of those pens when they write "just married" or something on your car.
Yes, we've been a little busy, and I'm just going to add a little extra whipped cream
Burning Man.
on top here.
Let me just if you went to Burning Man.
Let me just add a little.
You wrestled a live chicken in Wesson oil and then
Let's just add a little sprinkle.
Who's to say she didn't?
And some whipped
sprinkles on
cream.
top.
Okay.
Just like
All
a
right,
cupcake.
Travis. All right. I'm going to get in the driver's seat.
Cupcakes.
All right. This is my little car. Okay,
gotta
Travis,
say-
won't you join me?
Splash and Dash is a
Okay.
great. That's the one that burned down in Carmichael, right by our house. They have. Oh yeah, I miss them.
Isn't it weird that a car
Okay.
wash would
Carmichael right
burn
now?
down?
All
No,
right.
this is the one in
Here we
Natomas,
go.
but the one in Carmichael caught fire,
Turn
but they're
off the
about ready
radio.
to reopen here. Coming up
Okay.
Weird that a
soon,
car
so.
wash would burn down. I mean, they got
Can you,
water
can you
right
guys
there.
hear me
I think
okay?
so. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, I got to start the stopwatch. That's right. Here we go. Ready?
Ready.
Start.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. To the
I
right.
like it. This is the one where you drive on a little track and it takes you through. You
Yes.
release all power of your car and it takes you through.
It's so much fun for the kids. Should I be in drive or should I be in neutral?
Go ahead, now put it in neutral.
Put it in neutral, as Travis says.
Oh, cool. They actually hit.
Okay, and no brakes. Okay, all right. So we will be back to show you the finished product, 5 minutes or
Okay.
less. We'll show you what happens.
All right.
All right, Taryn, thank you so much.
Mark the time, 6:19 of
Splash and
entry.
Dash in Natomas then.
That's a major terrorist bust for German authorities. What police say was their target.
Plus, one low-cost carrier raising its airline prices. How much more you can expect to pay next time you fly Southwest.
Hey, there you go. Back to you guys.
Code, thanks.
Thanks.
It is 6:24. It is rated, as we said, one of the top car washes in the nation, and Taryn Winterbrill's putting them to the test.
Let's go back out live to Natomas, see how it turned out, Taryn.
Yes. Hey, you guys, we just finished. Can you hear me all right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just pulling out. Let's
Okay.
see. Let's look at my handy-dandy stopwatch. Check it out.
You're gonna have to tell us,
They
I think.
guarantee it 3:45.
Nice.
3 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's get out and take a look. This is Travis, by the way. He works here. And let's take a look at all of the stains and stuff that I had before.
And they take you through, they dry it with the big air dryers, right?
Yeah,
And,
they're like industrial size, Marianne,
yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
Hey, Tess, come here on top. Let's just take a look and kind of look at the... Everything seems to be, it's absolutely spotless, and it's so much fun. This is so great for families. Travis was saying, I mean, as many as you can sort of fit in the car comfortably and legally and safely. It's super fun, and it's brushless, we were saying. And some of the other things that make it so interesting is that you're actually using recycled water. That makes it, you know,
Right.
the most unique place.
Yep, we reclaim 100% of our water, so it's very
Wow.
environmental. The kids love the triple foam colors that come out. And the best thing is it keeps moving the whole time. You never have to wait for the car in front of you, so you're in and out, back on the road.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's really great. I have some free coupons if you guys are interested.
Yeah.
Is that a yes?
Totally.
Okay.
Sure.
A little delay. Also, you were telling me something. There's like a spot-free
Right, you'll
part of it.
notice the car's still a little bit wet. The dryers don't get it completely dry, but it is a spot-free rinse. So as you get back on the road, the wind will take care of it. You don't need to get out and dry. It'll be spotless.
Great. It looks magnificent. It is sparkling, and it's so much fun actually, you know, going through the actual ride.
Oh, we used to do
so.
that as kids all the time. Dad, take it to the car wash, please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fun to go through the car.
Super fun.
They actually have a great deal. They used to, at least the one in Carmichael, that you could pay for like 10 washes, but get like 11 or something. So it's, I mean, it's like $4.99 in the end. It's
That's
just
like
some
a baker's dozen.
Some crazy
Yeah.
deal.
Do
Yeah,
all the
this is
guys there wear
$5.99.
ties when they wash your car?
Yeah.
Do all the guys here wear ties when you guys wash our cars?
Absolutely. It's part of our uniform. We like to look at
Yay!
it.
That's important. Excellent.
And
Can I
the
bring a
snappy
couple of these
dressing.
back too?
You bet.
Okay.
Taryn,
Ties and
thanks.
coupons. Thanks, you guys.
Fun. I'm
They
looking
look like-
forward to the one in Carmichael reopening.
You guys look like they're out of a Tarantino movie a little bit, don't they? A little bit. A little Reservoir Dogs.
You may find a little something extra in the trunk. Don't ask about it.
It's a car that forever will be a legend. Later on this morning, how some students are getting the chance to drive a classic model Ford.
I never wish you could really control